every year on 5 September we celebrate the Happy Teacher. In the memory, we are Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a great teacher, philosopher, and the second president of India. The best mind in the country. Teachers are the guiding light in our life. Thank you and once again, Happy Teachers Day, and to all my respected teachers. Jai Hind.
মধুসূদন ম্যাডাম আসছে ଆଉ ସେ କିଛି ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ଭଲ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧା କରିବେ।